Maybe I should break it and the balls will fall out on their own. But Cindy stops her friend. You don't need to break anything. It's just a marker. Cover ores bees with water and let them grow for 5 minutes. Put the balls into a test tube. Take wadding out of a marker and insert it into the test tube. Fasten it with hot glue. Decorate it with colorful tape. And put on a cap. You should try drawing with this creative marker because this is a writing stress reliever in action. So enjoy the balls inside the marker. None of Cindy's pens are working, and the teacher is talking very fast. I need to find a replacement immediately. She discovers something more interesting than just a pen in her friend's case. This is ice cream, and you can take notes with it. Break crayons and melt them in a microwave. Cut a cardboard plate and wrap it to make a cone. Fasten it with hot glue and cut off the tip. Stick a pen inside. Pour melted crayons into the cone. Hold it carefully so that you don't burn your fingers. Pour melted bright crayons into a semi-sphere mold. Connect the semi-sphere with the cone when the wax gets a bit harder. Correct the edge of the ice cream scoop with a lighter. Cindy adores ice cream, and if you really can write with it, then it's her favorite dessert now. But you cannot only write with this ice cream. You can also use the crayons on it for drawing. That's an excellent idea, and it looks very tasty. Miss Smith is a real smart cookie. She plays phone games during class, but she doesn't even allow us to use phone calculators. No way! Freedom Equality School! If we are not allowed to use gadgets, then Miss Smith has to hide her phone too. And what is she supposed to do now? Be bored out of her mind and just stare at the globe? That's not happening. Miss Smith has an entertaining notebook. Hot glue a foam rubber sheet to a hardcover notebook. Take foam rubber sheets of different colors and cut them into half-inch strips. Put them vertically and make a maze out of them. Hot glue the strips to the cover. Put a ball inside. Cover the maze with clear plastic. Our Miss Smith is old school. She remembers the times when phones hadn't been invented yet, and students were having fun in class without them. A simple and classic maze in a notebook, a timeless game, and the most important thing is that its battery never dies. I need a pen of an unusual color, but there is nothing like that in my bag. Let's hunt for one in my friend's case. But there aren't any school supplies in her case at all. What does she carry in it? Legos. What for? To relieve stress in class. Hot glue a wide Lego brick to a pencil case. Attach more pieces on top of it and make any picture. For example, a funny face. Cindy has a whole case of Legos. Make anything you want with these pieces. Even strict Miss Smith won't mind that, because playing with Legos is so much fun. Let's build a school model on the case. The principal will be so happy. Art class is one more reason to be stressed, because there are only smudges on Dolly's painting. How can she be so clumsy? But Cindy has such a neat and clean painting. That's it. Dolly is done with art, unless Miss Smith loans her a calming brush. Hot glue a broken brush into a clear silicone tube. Put glitter and sparkles inside. Pour glycerin in it, but leave some space. Cover the hole on the tube with hot glue. Miss Smith figures out the point of meditation art. Even if you have blots and your painting is ruined, there is no need to worry. Just play with this calming brush. Look at the glitter going smoothly with the flow, and you feel peace and quiet flowing to you. Anti-stress art is our teacher's favorite hobby. Did you like our anti-stress school supply ideas? Then write in your comments how you will calm down in class. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new stress-relieving ideas on Troom Troom.